Did you know you can bring classic fables to life in 3D animation and make a ton of money from it on YouTube, all without any animation experience? Imagine creating beautiful 3D versions of famous stories, captivating viewers, and building a thriving YouTube channel with real income potential. Here's the best part. You don't need a big budget, fancy gear, or advanced skills. With today's AI tools, making high-quality 3D animated videos has never been easier, faster, or more affordable. You need proof? Just look at the amazing channels out there doing this exact type of content, racking up impressive views and tons of subscribers. What more could you ask for? Let me tell you why creating 3D Fable stories is a win-win for YouTube. Number 1. Fables are timeless and universal. Classic fables carry powerful messages that resonate across ages. They're more than just stories. They're lessons in values and humanity, perfect for evergreen, meaningful content that viewers love. Number 2. It's simple, affordable, and quick. AI makes it easy to produce pro-looking videos without investing in expensive equipment or spending ages on complex software. Number 3. Great for channel growth and income. Mastering this skill means building a loyal audience and a valuable library of content. It's a chance to grow a community, attract ad revenue, and maybe even turn YouTube storytelling into a full-time gig. Ready to make it happen? Here are the 6 AI tools you will use. ChatGPT. Craft your script and dialogue with ease. Leonardo AI. Design your characters. Luma AI. Turn images into 3D animation. 11 Labs. Give your characters voices. Runway. Sync lip movements with the dialogue. CapCut. Pull everything together with final edits. I'll lay out a clear roadmap right here to guide you through each step effortlessly. Stay with me, and I'll help you bring your 3D Fable animations to life. Each part of this journey will open up new possibilities, and by the end, you'll be fully equipped and confident to create content that will enchant your audience. Get ready to be wowed every step of the way. You'll have everything you need to make stunning animations that truly stand out. Let's dive right in. The script is the backbone of your video. It sets up the story, characters, and dialogue that will guide the visuals. We'll start here to make sure we have a solid foundation. ChatGPT is your best friend. It's an AI tool that makes brainstorming and writing easier than ever. Even if you're not a writer, it can generate ideas, build dialogue, and help structure your story in a way that's engaging and audience-friendly. This AI provides you with a completely free 3.5 version, but if you're ready to level up, go for the Pro 4.0 version for just $20 a month. It's like having a personal writing assistant right at your fingertips. Alright, let's try with my video. First, you need to brainstorm the key elements. Open ChatGPT and start by describing the theme and moral of your fable. For example, ask it to write a script based on the goose that laid the golden eggs, emphasizing the ideas of greed and gratitude. You can also specify the writing style and length you prefer to give ChatGPT a clearer direction. One small tip. For YouTube, aim for a video between 3 to 5 minutes, which translates to about 500 to 800 words. It's just the right length to tell your story while keeping viewers engaged. Be sure to structure your script with this flow. Hook, build up, climax, resolution. It's a fundamental format that even the pros rely on. Don't forget to customize the dialogue's tone and style in ChatGPT. Ask for adjustments until it sounds natural and engaging for your audience. This step is key. Label each line of dialogue with the character's name and add emotion tags, such as happy or sad, to set the tone for your animations and voiceovers later. Finally, review and refine the script to ensure a smooth flow. This will be your guide as you bring the visuals and voices together. Congrats! You've finished the first step, which is also the most important part in the process of making a 3D animated video for a fable. Time to move on to the second step. It's time to bring the story to life visually. You can't have a 3D animation without characters and scenes that match your script, right? Here's where you get to flex those creative muscles. Think like a filmmaker and go all out with your descriptions, every detail, every little quirk. Make your world as vibrant and captivating as the tale itself, ensuring the characters and settings match the tone and style of the fable perfectly. Let me introduce you to Leonardo AI, a tool that lets you design unique characters and backgrounds without needing to draw. With a few clicks, you can create detailed visuals that make your story come alive. You get 150 tokens each day, so feel free to experiment as much as you want. But let's be real, it's not quite enough for a full-length 3D animated video. Take a look at these packages and find the one that suits your needs best. You'll be using this a lot, so it's worth the investment. You're looking at the Leonardo AI homepage. You'll find a ton of cool images here to spark your imagination. Just click on any picture, copy the prompt style, and start building your own masterpiece from there. Ready to kick off your project? Hit image creation right in the center. It will open up a whole new page for you to explore. Let's start by designing your main characters, like our farmer and the golden goose. Leonardo AI gives you tons of customizable styles so you can find the perfect look to fit your fable. In the prompt box, keep your character description clear and detailed. Include everything: age, gender, outfit, hairstyle, personality, you name it. Once you're ready, hit generate and watch the magic happen. Here's a tip: fables are typically crafted for young audiences, so aim to make your characters charming and approachable to capture that kid-friendly feel. Good! This character is looking great, and I'm definitely using him throughout my video. Here's a pro tip to keep your character consistent. Click on the 3 dots, select Copy Seed, then head to Advanced Settings and paste it under Use Fixed Seed. This way, your character will stay pretty much the same every time they appear in your story. Use the same approach to create the perfect setting for your story. For a classic farm fable, think lush fields, a cozy barn, and all those little details that make the scene feel alive. Want to add some extra personality? Feel free to tweak colors and expressions to give each character their own charm. This is the step where your animated world really starts coming together. And look at that, everything's looking amazing. You've got all the sketches for your 3D fable, and it took, what, less than an hour? Unbelievable, isn't it? The fun has just begun, guys. You're stepping into the epic part of the journey. This next step is where things get mind-blowing, especially for newcomers. Get ready to watch your still sketches transform into living, breathing animations. With the power of Luma AI, we're about to bring your characters to life in an incredible 3D sequence. This is where your story truly comes alive. Prepare to be amazed. Use Dream Machine by Luma Labs, Luma AI. This amazing tool adds depth, motion, and energy to your images, turning them into stunning 3D animations. For the best experience, I'd recommend the Pro version. $24 for 150 generations a month, or $52 for 310. A pretty sweet deal for the magic it brings to your videos, to be honest. Using Luma AI can't be easier. Just click here to upload the character images and backgrounds you created. Next up, let's add some action to your scene. Give Luma AI clear, detailed prompts about the type of movement or interactions you want. The more specific you are, the better it will align with your script. You can pause the video to see how I wrote the prompt for this. If you feel fancier, Luma AI lets you add motion effects that give your video a sense of depth. Use panning, zooming, or slight character movements to make scenes feel dynamic. For instance, zoom in on the farmer's amazed expression when he finds a golden egg. Adjust the timing of each scene to match the story's pacing. Slower scenes can focus on dialogue, while quicker cuts build excitement during key moments. By the end, your story will have a smooth, engaging flow. Once you're satisfied with the result, download and organize it neatly in your storage for the upcoming stages of the process. But for those still hanging with me, major kudos to you. You've nailed the visuals and animation, and now we're diving into the audio side of things. First and foremost, let's give your characters their voices.
I can get all the gold eggs at once.
A great voiceover brings emotion and personality, making characters more relatable and engaging. I highly recommend you ElevenLabs, an AI-powered voice generator that produces natural, expressive voices. You can customize tone, pitch, and speed, giving each character a unique voice that fits the story. The free plan gives you 10,000 credits per month, about 10 minutes of audio. The Pro version is a steal at just $5 for 30,000 credits or $11 for 100,000 credits. That's nearly 2 hours of high-quality audio for under $12. Not too bad of a deal, right? To use this AI, just select Get Started from the left menu. Drop your script in the box and pick voices that suit each character's vibe. You'll hit Find More Voices, choose characters and animation, and listen through the options until you find a match. Got one you like? Just click Add, then one more tap to use it. You can even hop over to settings to tweak language, stability, similarity, and style exaggeration to adjust the tone and speed to match the emotions of each scene. That's what I like about ElevenLabs, because it makes everything easy to tweak these details for the best quality output. Generate speech until the voice sounds excellent to you. Then download the files and you're good to go. You've got the footage, you've got the voices. So, ready to make your first 3D animated film?
Psych!
Not quite yet. I've got one last secret weapon for you: syncing your character's lip movements. Yep, let's make those lips match every word they say. This step is a game changer for making your animation feel realistic and totally immersive. It's the key to taking your video to the next level. Meet Runway AI. This powerhouse tool for video editing and animation lets you add those tiny expressions that truly bring your characters to life. With just a few clicks in a few minutes, you'll have an upgraded version of your animation that's way more dynamic and expressive. For just $15 a month, you get 625 credits. It's plenty for a short video like this. Here's how it works, and trust me, it's super easy. Choose Lip Sync Video. This is the magic option. Upload your video and audio files. I'll take this one for instance. Just drop them in and hit Generate. Now sit back and let the AI do all the hard work. And that's it. You're on your way to seamless, pro-level animation in no time. Don't forget to double-check to ensure your characters' mouths sync perfectly with the voiceover. Because you know, sometimes AI can be a little laggy. Better safe than sorry, right? Here we are, the final stop before we jump off this train with a fully finished 3D animated masterpiece. Feeling excited? Because I sure am. With all the amazing material you've created so far, it's time for those final touches, polishing the video, adding sound, and getting it ready for YouTube. When it comes to user-friendly video editing, CapCut is one of the best tools out there. It lets you easily add music, sound effects, and all the finishing touches without spending too much time and effort, making your content look truly professional. You can stick with the standard version of CapCut for totally free, or go for the annual subscription at $90 a year to unlock even more features and functions. The choice is yours. Just think about what level of finesse your video needs. CapCut makes editing a breeze with its super simple interface. Start by creating a new project and dropping your footage onto the timeline. Next, add in your voiceover and background music. Choose tracks that really complement your story, and don't be afraid to mix it up. Switching up the music to fit different scenes and moods can make a huge difference. Also, keep an eye on the volume to make sure it's not overpowering or too quiet, so your video sounds just right. Pro tip: to make your video even more extraordinary, don't skip the sound effects. They'll add that extra punch to make everything feel more lively and professional. For example, in this scene, try adding the sound of the farmer's footsteps, or here, throw in a few clucks for the goose. You'll be amazed at how these small details make each scene feel richer. Fables always come with a moral at the end, so consider adding a text overlay to reinforce the lesson for viewers.
Let's cherish what we have and cultivate gratitude in our hearts.
Once you're done editing, watch the video from start to finish multiple times to make sure it's smooth and error-free. When you're satisfied, export the final version in high quality. Congratulations, your 3D animated Fable is officially YouTube ready. Can you believe it? You've just created a full 3D animated video from start to finish. We began with a wonderful script, crafted characters and settings, added voices, synced lip movements, polished everything in CapCut, and wrapped it up with a powerful moral. Each step was straightforward, thanks to these AI tools, giving you all you need to keep creating confidently. I've listed all these tools in the description box below, along with links for you to dive right in. If you've got questions about the AI tools, need advice, or want recommendations on other cool tools, just drop a comment. I'll do my best to get you the answers you need to make your animation journey epic. Now think of the endless possibilities. Not only can this skill bring you real value, whether it's money, fame, or even a dream career, but your videos can also share meaningful lessons with the world. By bringing these timeless fables to life, you're giving away value through quality content that can inspire, entertain, and make a positive impact. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments which fable you'd love to animate next. Thanks for watching, and here's to creating videos that make a difference. Happy animating!